Assalamualaikum
Warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh. Permission to introduce myself. My name is Alexandra with NPM 32 and my friend.
My name is Dwi Jayanti with NPM 29.
Here we'll present to material Young Einstein, the Special Relativity Revolution. The first material will be developed by my friend.
Introduction. Einstein proposed a radical theory that changed the way space and time were viewed. The special theory of relativity, published 1905. The theory is based on two simple but revolution postulates. The laws of physics apply equally in all interference, and the speed of light in a vacuum is constant, independent of the mention of either the square or the observed. Einstein's contribution not only solved variation anomalies in classical physics, but also created a profound paradigm shift in science. Special relativity dismantled the old notion of time and space as absolute intense and reflects in with the understanding that both are relativity depend of the mention of the observer. This is theory become the foundation of the development of general relativity and modern physics as a whole. Next, the state of physics science before 100 1905. Physics at the end of the 19th century had made a lot of progress. Newton's theory of mechanics has successfully explained planetary motion, flying objects, and every dynamics. However, there is a notable description in Newtonic mechanics. Time and space are considered absolute, meaning that all objects will agree in the time of line of a event or object, regardless of their motion. Maxwell theory suggests that the speed of light that flew in a vacuum. This is the this is where the conflict areas in the Newtonia framework. The speed of light so very depend of the mention of the score of observed. Next, history of Albert Einstein. Einstein was a theory physicist who is widely regards the great science of the 20th century. Einstein is considered synonymous with intelligence or even genius. In the horror, a unit of photochemistry named after Einstein. The year 1905 was a milestone of physics. In 1 year, Einstein published four important papers in the journal and the physics. The four papers were: 1. The photoelectric effect. 2. Brownian motion. 3. Special relativity. 4. We know the relationship between mass and energy. Next, Special theory of relativity. The special theory of relativity describes the behavior of space and time from the perspective of observers moving relativity to Earth's order and related phenomena. This is article only discuss the theory of special relativity and the effect of so-called time dilation, from Latin dilector, spread, delay. Next. The next material with my friend.
Okay, here are some of the main consequences arising from the two postulates of special relativity. Number one, relativity simultaneity. In classical physics, simultaneity is considered absolute, meaning that two events that occur simultaneously in one place are also considered simulation in all places. However, special relativity states that simultaneity is relative. Number two, time dilation. Time dilation is a phenomenon where time appears to pass more slowly for an object in motion relativity to a stationary object. Number three, lane contraction. This phenomenon states that object moving relative to the observer will appear shorter in its direction of motion. Number four, Lorentz transformation. The Lorentz transformation refers Galileo transformation to relate space and time coordinates between frames in relative motion. This transformation ensures that the law of physics and the speed of light remain consistent across all inertial frames. Einstein formalized the core of the special theory of relativity in a very famous mathematical equation. Impact and legacy of special relativity. Number one, paradigm shift. The special theory of relativity replaced the classical physics view that space and time are absolute instants, so that is number one, time may run differently depending on the speed of the object. Two, the length of an object can change depending on the frame of reference. Number two, modern application. One, despite its theoretical nature, special relativity is very important in modern technology. Two, GPS. Most correct time-based of relativity effect for accurate location result. 3. Particle physics use relativity to explain the behavior of high-energy particles in acceleration. 4. Nuclear energy release on the principle of mass energy and conversion. Number 3. Influence one science and philosophy. One science is result awareness that observation depend on a frame of reference. 2. Philosophy of science is challenge the concept of absolute truth and universal time provide reflection for philosophers such as Bertrand Russell and Karl Popper in understanding scientific reality. Conclusion: the young Einstein, with his courage and radical thinking, managed to solve one of the greatest crises in the history of physics. Through the special theory of relativity, he not only corrected the discrepancies in classical physics, but also paved the way for a new understanding of the universe. Einstein discoveries prove that scientific progress does not always depend on sophisticated laboratory equipment, but can be born from deep thinking, the courage to question old assumptions and hold scientific imagination. This is a valuable lesson for the younger generation that true science is born from unique curiosity and the courage to think differently. Okay, thank you for attention.
Wassalamualaikum
Wassalamualaikum
warahmatullahi
warahmatullahi
wabarakatuh.
wabarakatuh.